It's much chillier out there today than it has been recently, and we have a batch of rain to our west moving in our general direction. Will it rain tonight, and when will we warm up? I have the answers to both of those questions and more coming up right here in this video. As of the noon hour, temperatures are not like what you'd expect in late May, only in the 40s to near 50 down there near Dover and New Philadelphia. It has been a fairly cloudy morning, which has kept temperatures pretty chilly. 43 still in Ashtabula, very chilly. Things will improve this afternoon. I'll show you on satellite imagery here in a second. We are finally getting some bigger holes in the clouds moving in, so these temperatures will kick into the 50s, still a good 10 to 15 degrees below normal for today. Alright, so here's what I'm talking about on satellite imagery. You can see this morning at the beginning of the loop, there were some very stubborn low clouds across pretty much our entire forecast coverage area over north central and northeastern Ohio. Those were helped out by some moisture from Lake Erie. Those clouds are finally starting to go away. However, thicker clouds with the rain off to the west are starting to encroach. So we are in this narrow window between the morning clouds and the thicker clouds moving in from the west. So I think the first half of the afternoon, a good amount of sunshine will make it through and we'll see temperatures improve into the 50s. However, by later this afternoon and into tonight, it will become cloudy once again. So here are the numbers for Cleveland yesterday. We did 69.51, which comes up close to normal. However, that 69 was at about 12:30 in the morning yesterday, so much of the day yesterday was much cooler than what you'd expect. Records for today are 91.34. No rain at Hopkins yesterday. We're going to run well below precipitation, it looks like, for the next several days. So we're going to rack up some pretty large precipitation departures. It is dry. Sunset tonight is at 8:44. And for the rest of today, we're going to have the mid and high level clouds increasing through the afternoon. However, I do think up until 2, 3, 4 o'clock, a good amount of sunshine will make it through before things really thicken up for this evening. That 55 is a representative average. Locations like Ashtabula along the eastern lakeshore will struggle to even hit 50, while places like Dover, New Philly, maybe even Mansfield, could push up towards 60. And then tonight, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of a shower down towards Mansfield, Ashland, and Millersburg. Other than that, just chilly with lows once again in the low to mid 40s. Taking a look ahead now on one of our forecast computer models, tracking the potential rain here into tonight. As we head through the afternoon, everything stays off to our west. As we head into this evening, here's 8 o'clock. The model, the simulated radar, does show some rain encroaching on our southwestern counties, and it actually appears to show rain over pretty much our entire coverage area tonight. However, the bark here is worse than its bite because this is a quote-unquote composite reflectivity simulation, which means it'll simulate precipitation at all heights of the atmosphere as it would look on the radar, which means precipitation aloft gets lumped into this image. It's going to be very dry in the lower levels of the atmosphere, which may save us tonight. As I put on another product here, this will actually show you how much of the precipitation the model has hitting the ground. Again, through this afternoon dry, here we are, 8 o'clock, you can see very little precipitation actually making it to the ground, and most of it staying down towards central Ohio, which is why I kept the forecast essentially dry tonight. This is high pressure here, wedging around from Illinois towards the mid-Atlantic coastline. So that high pressure is going to try and keep us dry tonight. I think for the most part it will. Again, Mansfield down towards Ashland and Millersburg, a slight chance of a shower. Other than that, I think we'll all stay cloudy but dry tonight. All right, now on the 7-day now, very tranquil weather continues overall through Saturday night. Again, tomorrow, a good amount of clouds in the morning before the clouds with tonight's system finally pull away. So I think tomorrow afternoon there might be some more sun. We get a weak cold front to move through late Thursday night into early Friday, which will bring another increase in clouds, but I don't think it'll be quite enough to wring out much precipitation, maybe a sprinkle late Thursday night, early Friday. That's about it. Friday, we're still fairly chilly. Temperatures only in the lower 60s for highs, maybe a little cooler along the lakeshore. And then Friday night, we get clear skies and calm winds. So I'm a little bit concerned about some frost, especially inland from Lake Erie and east of I-71, give or take. Stay tuned. We'll monitor that over the next couple of days. Saturday looks like a great day, mostly sunny, highs warming back up to near 70, still a little cooler along the immediate Lake Erie shoreline. Sunday into Sunday night, a warm front moves through, so temperatures continue to increase. However, there could also be a few storms Sunday afternoon into Sunday night, and then for Memorial Day, it'll be warm and muggy. That 80 might be a little bit conservative. It might get a little bit warmer than that as the pools open for the first time this summer. Could also be a few storms to dodge. Similar story for Tuesday. With NeoWeather.com, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for watching. Check us out again tomorrow.